Since this 4-inch zipper was hard to find in local stores, I'm going to use this 7-inch metal zipper, all-purpose, durable, and with the locking slider. I could have ordered this online, but it will be 2 to 4 times twice the cost, plus shipping. And to keep the cost down for my customers, I'm using the local zipper I found in the store. So 4-inch zippers are really hard to find in stores. 4-inch, 7-inch zippers and longer are more common. When you use a larger zipper for your project, be sure to place it in the right spot. Sometimes you can find the imprint of the other zipper. Place it right there. Pin it. And mark it. Mark it at the 4-inch stop and cut it. That's where you cut. Inside fly facing sewn on. Now that I have the zipper sewn onto the fly facing and the fly shield, I'm going to close the whole thing up. And we have the finished jeans. I sewed the J back. I sewed the flaps together. I sewed the flaps together up here, or the band together up here. And we have a new zipper that works.